One of my servants said he saw your daughter in London last week. In the slums.
Florence? I don't think so.
William, may I speak with you? Excuse us.
Not at all, Mrs. Nightingale.
Richard proposed to Florence, and she turned him down.
Someone spotted her downtown as well. She's up to her old tricks again.
You told me you loved him.
I do.
Then marry him.
I can't.
You are a stubborn and ungrateful child.
Perhaps I will marry someday. But to do so now, it would be suicide. I'd be killing the life God meant me to lead.
I suppose you're too good to run a household.
I didn't say that, Mama.
For the last time, Florence.
Please, Father. No more threats. I've been offered a job as superintendent of a hospital in London. I start tomorrow.
I refuse to allow it.
I'm 33 years old. I'm not asking for your permission, only your blessing.
Well, I'll just...
I'll send for my things in the morning.